Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video in the series of short videos review of basic arithmetic skills or arithmetic skills. And this is the final one in the series where we're simplifying, where we've kind of got something that doesn't look like we can simplify it, but in actual fact we can. And to do this we need to think of things like, well, okay, 9 can be written as 3 squared, or 1 over 27 could be written as 3 to the negative 3. So let's have a look at simplifying 4 to the power of 3n over 2 to the power of 5n. Okay, now if we just think about it, 4 is 2 squared. So we could replace 4 by 2 squared. So instead of 4 we're going to write 2 squared to the power of 3n over 2 to the power of 5n. Now if we've got a power to a power, we multiply, so it's 2 to the power of 6n over 2 to the power of 5n, and if we're doing division, we subtract, and our final answer is 2 to the power of n. Let's simplify 8 to the power of 4n over 16 to the power of 2n. Now this time let's break it up and let's say, well, 8 is 4 times 2 and 16 is 4 times 4. So then we've got 4 to the power of 4n times 2 to the power of 4n over 4 to the power of 2n times 4 to the power of 2n. So what we're left with is, no, before we do that, let's do some simplification. On the top we've got 4 to the power of 4n times 2 to the power of 4n. On the bottom we've got the same base, so we can add them, so it's 4 to the power of 4n, and then 4 to the power of 4n over 4 to the power of 4n is 1. It just leaves us with 2 to the power of 4n. I wonder if I can squeeze one more in. 9 to the power of 4n over 81 to the power of 2n. Right, let's just leave the top line for a minute and remember that 81 is 9 times 9, so it's 9 times 9. And then we could have 9 to the 4n over 9 to the 2n times 9 to the 2n. Now tidy the bottom line, that becomes 9 to the 4n over 9 to the 2n plus 2n, which is 4n. And 9 to the 4n over 9 to the 4n is 9 to the power of 0, which is 1. Tricky.